Hello everybody. Today I will take you to the new tutorial about Microsoft. This playlist I will make a video tutorial for WinUI3 for desktop development. Before we start, we should configuration and install app SDK for Windows first. Okay, I already have Visual Studio 2022 for community, and I just modify it, or you can download a new one, Visual Studio installer. Okay, if you have already Visual Studio, you just check modify. After that, check WinUI here, WinUI development. Build application for the Windows platform using WinUI with C# or optionally C++. Okay. After that, click modify. Oh, don't forget check every section. Windows 11 SDK, Windows 10 SDK. I think you should check all. Okay. And then I close it. Okay. Let's create a Visual Studio project. Here, open here, and I create a new project. Yes, and then you find WinUI. Okay, WinUI, you see blank app package WinUI3 in desktop. If you install correctly, it will show you the template for create application. Okay, that's 1, 3, by 1, 2, 3. This is for library, and here for application. Take here blank app. Okay, let create new one, and I put a name with YouTube tutorial. Okay, enter. Sorry, my English is poor. I just try to practice more and more. Yeah, YouTube tutorial. Okay, wait, install package. I think you should connect your PC with the internet before you create a new project WinUI3. Maybe it will get new or update or get dependency from internet for your project. Okay, now complete. Get a project solution. See app XAML. Okay, in WinUI3 we use XAML for UI user interface, and we use C# for logic. So I will teach you the beginning of the using XAML in WinUI. There are different, not a lot, but some different with WinUI3 and Windows Foundation and Microsoft MAUI. Okay, in WinUI3 we work only desktop application, not on mobile or cross-platform. If you want to create an application for cross-platform or mobile, you should use MAUI. It belongs to Microsoft too. I'm already successful create the application for WinUI3 and sell it in the Microsoft Store. And now I just share some knowledge with everyone, and with my speaking English. My English not good, but I try my best to speak in English. Someone tell me that they help me to speak English better than writing. When I teaching code igniter, I writing and tell how to code. Now I speak one by one, step by step, and practice with my speaking, and you can understand more. Okay, the configuration is a success. Open project and open template WinUI3 is success too. This is the app.xml. In app.xml, we have main window.xml. The app.xml is the first application run. When you right click, you check menu code, select menu code, and you see this is the first diagram app initialize component. And you see the new window, the main window. Who is the main window here? The main window here, okay? Yes, that's the main window. And when you run application, okay, run application. Wait. I choose the theme in black. It's easy to read. Okay, here it is the first application we run with the WinUI3. So you are configuration and install it successfully. Okay, click here. This is the button. I close it. And everybody should be follow me. I've not create the window for tutorial, but I create a page. I think create a page is better use window directly. The page like create page for website or something else. Use page with the more. It's easier and easy to modify, easier to prepare, and easier to modify. Okay, now just follow me. I will copy some code from my old one here. Activate and window. I will copy from here. Pass below this one. Okay, it will create page. Root frame new. Okay, this is I will create a function for it. Event. Yes. That's blank. And then go to main window and remove all this. Okay. Now we have create a window. This one, new window, and then we create a root frame. Window is open, but we need a new frame. This means the page, and fill up in the main window. Okay. Now we create a folder. Just follow me before we start. It should be prepared for the well understand and well prepare for everyone download. After I finish all playlist XAML WinUI3, I will keep it in GitHub for download for everyone. Okay. Now I try create new folder called page. And the first one I will teach you about the block. So I will create a class, but you don't choose class. We just use WinUI3, so we choose WinUI and the blank page. Okay, this is blank window. This is blank page, but I choose blank page. It's better. I choose blank page and change name, text, block, page. Okay, press enter. Now we have the block page. Okay, and go to app and replace with text block. Oh, sorry. Text develop page. Something wrong. Oh, okay. Develop page. Yes. Import. So this is the code. I will zoom a little. Zoom in a little. You see, this code you will be put in here. We create a room frame, roof frame for fill in the main window. And if we navigate in file, we display error here, or you can console.debug.log or something else, or mistake box else. Sorry. And this is the page that we create that we want to display on the main window. And I create a window, app window.resize. This is the code for size width 1280 and height 800. Activate it. And now we start simple code for the block. Okay, I will create stack panel here. Oh, nice. Panel. Stick panel here, and I take block. Oh, okay. Just tap. Wow. Okay, this is the block. This take the important property is text. The text will display the value or the string to the user. Font size, tell about size of the font. You understand? I don't know how to speak in English more. Font size of the font. Foreground is the letter color, the text color or color of the text. And horizontal alignment, I mean it's the center. Okay, I think you understand horizontal and vertical. Horizontal alignment center, vertical alignment center, and margin. Margin means outside the text block, and space outside the text block or border text block. And the other one have padding 20 like this. That means inside the border of the block. Okay, now we just create a simple one and make sure we configure and install FSDK work or not. Okay, save it and then try to run. Any error? Come on. Oh yes, what is that? Oh, oh no, we don't have a button. We don't have event here. I remove because when we create a new project, we already create the function or event. Okay, this is the function void method, and button name is the element thermal name. It's the container property of the button. That's name my button. Okay, this is the click content. Now we try to remove it. Okay, let's try again. Will it work or not? Yes, that's work. Yes, hello world. In blue one. Now I try to change it. In WinUI3, you no need to restart the app. Just open it and then go to the mode and change. Now I try to change red for color. Just save it and then look at to the app. Yes, it becomes red. So you don't need to stop and start. Just you have two monitor and one monitor for WinUI display and one monitor for coding. It's easy, right? And we can use window form, or you can use window foundation, or you can do anything else in Microsoft. There are a lot of WinUI. There are a lot of UI user interface of Microsoft, but I choose WinUI 3. It's the modern WinUI. It's modern user interface for Windows 10, Windows 11, and more or less. If we can, if Microsoft release other window, I think WinUI3 is the goal, and it's modern than WinUI2. There are two types, WinUI2 and WinUI3, but I choose WinUI3 is good, and you can create it for your application. For I already created a point of sale for coffee shop with WinUI3 and sell it in Microsoft Store. So it is easy, and in WinUI3 you can do C Sharp or you can use C++. Okay, this video is only for installer and config and speak English a little more for my practice too and for understand too. Okay, if I say something wrong or do something wrong, please allow me to do it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please allow me to sorry for. Okay. Okay. See you in the next lesson for the tip block more. Thank you.